Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Wendy's Kooky Crochet Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an octagon. So I'm just going to use, this is just a worsted weight 4 yarn, Red Heart Super Saver, and a 5mm hook. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off in a magic ring. And I'm going to chain 2. And then I'm going to do 2 double crochets, chain 2, and do 3 double crochets, and that first chain 2 counts as a double crochet, by the way. 2, 3, then chain 2, and you're going to do 8 total clusters of 3 double crochets total. So again, another cluster of double crochets, so 3 double crochets and then chain 2. Three double crochets and chain 2. Three double crochets and chain 2. Alright, 3 double crochets and chain 2. Okay, let's see how many clusters we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 2 more to make. Again, don't let your magic ring come undone, by the way. Okay, chain 2, and then 1 more set of double crochets. So 1 more cluster of double crochets. Gosh. Oops. And chain 2. And now you're going to pull your magic ring tight. And slip stitch to the top of the first chain 2 that you made, the one I said counted as a double crochet. And if you can't tell which one that is, you may want to mark it actually. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to slip stitch to the middle of one of those chain 2 spots, and we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to do 1 double crochet, chain 2, and that chain 2 first one counted as a double crochet, by the way, and then 2 double crochets, and then afterwards we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to continue every chain 2 spot. We're going to do 2 double crochets, and then chain 2 and 2 more double crochets, then we're going to chain 1 afterwards, And we're going to do that in each chain 2 spot all the way around. Chain 1, next chain 2 spot. Remember, there's going to be 8 of these. Chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets. Chain 1, again, next chain 2 spot, 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets. Chain 1, next chain 2 spot, hi little kitty cat. Chain 1, and I'm at my last chain 2 spot, so I'm going to do 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets. Now I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to slip stitch that first double crochet that I made. Sometimes that can be a little hard to work into. And so now I'm going to repeat what I just did. So now I'm going to again slip stitch into that chain 2 spot. So now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to do 1 double crochet, first chain 2 spot, chain 2, then 2 double crochets, 1, 2, then I'm going to chain 1, and when I get to that chain 1 spot from before, I'm going to do 3 double crochets. There's 1, 2, and I'm going to chain 1, then I'm going to do 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets in that chain 2 spot. Chain 1, go into that chain 1 spot, you're going to do 3 double crochets, chain 1, in the chain 2 spot you're going to do 2 double crochets, chain 2, and then do 2 more double crochets, chain 1, and the chain 1 spot you're going to do a total of 3 double crochets, chain 1, chain 2 spot, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, chain 1, do 3 double crochets in that chain 1 spot, chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets in the chain 2 spot, chain 1, 3 double crochets in that chain 1 spot, chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets in that chain 2 spot, chain 1, 3 double crochets in that chain 1 spot, chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets in that chain 2 spot, chain 1, 3 double crochets in the chain 1 spot, chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets in the chain 2 spot, alright, chain 1. Alright, now we're at our last chain 1 spot, so we're going to do 3 double crochets, oops. Alright, so from here guys, you can make it as big as you want. So just remember, in each of the chain 2 spots, you're going to do 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. In each of the chain 1 spots, you're going to do 3 double crochets, then chain 1. And something cool that you can make out of this, and if you want to see a video of this, I will make a video for you. Just let me know. So something you can do that's kind of cool out of this one is you can make shorts out of this one. So if you fold it kind of, you see how it's kind of just doing all kind of weird stuff there. So if you fold it kind of in half like this, you can sew up. When you get it longer, you'll see how it shapes up. So these corners will come out more, and you will sew this part up and this part up. And this is kind of how the little pants work. So anyway, if you want me to make a video of like how pants work like this, it's a really, really cool kind of crocheted shorts kind of thing. Actually, not really pants, shorts is what I would make out of it. But anyway, if you want to see a video of me making that, then let me know in the comments. And everybody, please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, leave me a comment. I literally, like, every time somebody subscribes to my channel, I'm like literally jumping up and down. I'm so excited, guys. So please subscribe to my channel, and happy hooking, everybody.